I believe you have seen videos like this on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. The question is, how can you make videos like this? Today, I'll reveal a secret AI tool that creates these viral motion graphics in seconds. No After Effects, no animation skills, just AI automation. And the best part? People are making over $30,000 per month with this method. Other channels are making thousands of dollars too. For example, let's check the analytics for this one using an extension tool called NextLev. If you want to take your game a step further, NextLev is the tool you need, especially for this feature where you can search similar channels here and press in-depth search, and it will search channels that are on the same niche, like this one for example. With this tool, you will never run off ideas because in seconds, it will find channels that are on the same niche as yours. When you want to use it, the link is in bio. Now, this niche is not oversaturated because up until now, it has requested a pretty complicated skill of motion graphics and tools to make these videos. But with the secret tool I'm going to share today, you can generate these videos in seconds using AI. And trust me, you've not seen this yet. We call this mid-journey, but for motion graphics. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create high-quality videos with AI. So make sure you stick around. To make it simpler for you to follow up, we are going to break this into 4 simple steps that anyone can follow. First step is the step where we need to generate our stories. To do that, we need to train ChatGPT to write the stories for us. But for that, we need to feed ChatGPT with viral content where it can analyze the content and can write for us scripts that have potential to go viral. Let's go to this channel on TikTok, for example. Open one of their videos and copy the link of the video here. Now we need to go to a tool that can transcribe these videos. It's called TalkScript. Paste the video link here where it reads enter video, and in a matter of seconds, we will have the script ready. Now we need to copy the script and go to ChatGPT. Here, we need to write, I need you to analyze this script and then paste the script and hit enter. ChatGPT is going to analyze the script and bring out the strengths, areas of improvement, and other points from this script. So it will basically get into the scriptwriter's head, and then it will be ready for you to write the viral scripts you want. What we need to do next is write. Great. Now that you have analyzed this video, I need you to write me an interesting fact about US statistics based on the video script you analyzed. Great. It gave us some interesting facts about US. Now, as you might have notices, most of these channels make content related to US. They do that because the RPM is higher for US-based content. RPM is how much you get paid for 1,000 viewers. So the higher the RPM, the more income for you. That's why I would suggest for you too to focus on content that includes US on it. Now that we have completed the first step and have the video script ready, it's time to move to the second step, which is generating the narration voice. For that, we are going to use a tool called 11 Labs, which is the best so far for creating realistic voice, and it has free and also paid subscriptions. For this type of content, you can try the free version, but if you want to get more advanced voice, then use the starter pack, because it's only $5 per month, and it's really helpful. I'm going to do some research on the voice that I want to use here, but will not waste too much time. You can search yourself more deeply to find the perfect voice for your videos. I'm going to choose this one. Press add here and then press use. Now, it has sent us to the tab where we need to put our script. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy all the parts of the script like this. Great. Now that we have the script here, press generate, and let's listen to the beginning to get the idea of the voice.
Do you know these mind-blowing facts about the United States? Most people know that the United States is one of the most powerful countries in the world, but did you know these shocking facts about some of its states?
Great. Sounds perfect. I'm going to use this voice for myself, so I'll download this one and then move to the third and most important step. This is the step where I will reveal the secret tool that I have been talking about. I present you this AI tool called Hera. Hera is the best tool to create AI motion graphics in seconds, not hours. I've explored Hera, and it really has the ability to deliver graphics literally in seconds, which would take us hours to make manually. I'll drive you through it, and you will see how user-friendly it is. If you're still watching, then I will have to say that you are pretty lucky since you didn't give up before exploring this amazing tool. If you are one of them, then comment the word lucky on the comments so I know you are serious about YouTube automations. Press try Hera here for free and then log in with your email. Once you have logged in, it will direct you to this tab here. If you press this get started button here, it will bring you to a 3-minute guide on how Hera works explained by my friend Peter. Make sure you check that out. But for now, let's go to explore templates. We have a ton of templates we can use here. We have different chart motion graphics, logo graphics, templates like the ones of Gary Vee, for example, or Ali Abdul. But most importantly, we have these templates here that we need to use to create our videos. Anyway, let's try this one out that I know all of you are excited to see how it works. Press this one and then press use this template. It will direct us to the editor. You see how user-friendly and not overcomplicated this looks? Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Here we see that the first places we talk about are US and California. So we first need to highlight US and then zoom into California. Now let's go back to Hera. Here we can set the ratio to 9:16 for the vertical format, and it automatically fits the map perfectly. Then on the prompt section, let's write, highlight the United States first, and then do a zoom into California state and highlight California. Submit it, and within 20 seconds, it has delivered us this complicated scene, and it has done an amazing job with it. See how smooth the zoom in is and how accurate the highlight is. This is truly a game changer. Now, here we also have an option to edit the video, where we can scale the footage. We can change the location of the text, also change its size. We can also change the colors. I'll let you explore which colors you want to keep for your channel. You can also add images to be attached to the video. For example, if you want to create the effect where we add the flag to the country, we can do it too. I'll show you that in just a little bit. If you appreciate the information that I'm sharing with you, then please support my work with a subscribe, and also say something nice about me on the comments. Anyway, here you can also attach SVG and also add font that you might like to use for your videos. This gives a lot of options. Anyway, the first part is ready. Now I wanted to show you how we can include also chart graphics about different statistics. For example, here in California, it says that if California were a country, its economy would be the 5th largest in the world. Now what we can do is go to ChatGPT again and ask, can you make me a graph for 15 countries that California would leave behind if it were a country in terms of the economy? ChatGPT will analyze it and give us a chart graph showing us the countries that California would leave behind in terms of economy if it were a country. Now we simply download this image and go back to Hera and check some of the templates used. I would choose this one for myself, but you can try out all the other ones because the idea of use is the same. Now let's use this template. Change the ratio to 9:16 for this one too. Perfect. Now press image and attach the graph image we got from ChatGPT. And then on the prompt section, we need to copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it on the prompt section to give context of what the image chart is about. And within seconds, it will recreate this graphic for us, including the charts that we delivered from ChatGPT. This is truly amazing. I'm enjoying a lot this tool. If you feel the same, let me know in the comments. Then the next part, it includes Alaska and Texas. Let's do a quick test also for this part, how it is going to generate it. Select a template, and on the prompt section, write, highlight state of Alaska, and then zoom into Texas and highlight state of Texas too. And boom, it has generated us a perfect video for this part too. The positioning is very smooth, love it. Now I would like to show you how you can create this effect. First, download the flag of Russia, for example, from Google, and then click on image, import the image of the flag, and then write highlight Russia, and then attach the flag to the country of Russia. Generate. And the results are amazing. And can you imagine? This tool offers 10 free daily generations that you can export on 720p resolution. I would suggest getting the Pro plan for unlimited prompts and exports up to 4K resolution with 60 frames per second. This is amazing if we compare the prices with competitors like After Effects and Geo Layers. The link for this tool is on the description. Use the code VSM75 to get 75% off for the first month. Anyway, once we have all the footage ready, we need to download all the footage and move to step 4, which is a very important step. Here's the step where we put together the videos on an editor. For this part, I will use an easy and free tool called CapCut. Let's open CapCut and create a new project. Now import all the footage and the voice you generated. First, let's add the voice into the timeline. Then let's fix the voice by cutting these spaces so we don't have pauses while talking to make the video feel boring. After you fix the voice, let's add the footage to the place that it belongs. Now the first clip seems that moves too slowly. We can change the speed to match the voice. Go to speed and make the footage move faster. This seems about right. Add the next sequence with the graphic charts and fix the speed of this part too. Add the next part and also fix the speed so it matches the voice. You can do this from the beginning if you change the duration of the video while creating it on Hera. Now that the footage is in place, we need to add some transitions. There are pro and free transitions you can use. For my opinion, you should upgrade it to Pro because everything is better with Pro. I'll show you also the captions that you can add with Pro in a little bit. But free version works pretty well too, for the beginning. Now let's add one of these free transitions. This one looks pretty good. Next, we are going to add the captions. Press the captions tab here and hit generate. It says that I have 5 uses left since I'm showing you how it is with the free version. Once we have the captions generated, we can now use templates from CapCut. They also have free and pro templates. These are some of the free templates, but the ones with pro looks much better. Now let's add some music and sound effects. Go to audio and to the music section. You can do some research to find the best one, but for saving some time, I'm going to use this one right here. Add it and match it with the video link. Then let's go to sound effects and search for swoosh effects. The best ones come if you write short wind noise. Here are the results. This one is perfect for the transition part between clips. Let's add it here. Then let's add this one for zoom ins in the map. Okay, great. This one works perfectly. Now, fix the rest of the video, and once the video is ready, hit export, and here are the results.
Do you know these mind-blowing facts about the United States? Most people know that the United States is one of the most powerful countries in the world, but did you know these shocking facts about some of its states? If California were a country, its economy would be the 5th largest in the world, ahead of the UK, India, and France. The state generates over $4 trillion annually. Alaska is the largest state in the US, but did you know it's twice the size of Texas?
And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we used AI to create a high-quality, viral YouTube video without touching a camera, recording audio, or spending hours on animations. Yet in just minutes, AI turned in video into viral-worthy video. Now imagine doing this every day. How many videos could you create? How much could you earn? How fast could your channel grow? The possibilities are limitless. It all depends on how much effort you give. Now, you have everything you need to start making AI-powered videos and even have the strategy to start earning thousands per month. What's next? Comment AI money. If you want more tutorials on making money with AI tools, subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll be dropping a secret AI hack next week that will blow your mind. Smash that like button. It helps me know you like what I'm doing and supports me for continue doing it. And remember, the future of content creation is AI. You're either ahead of the game or left behind. See you in the next video.